This is how I would needle for an Extensor Carpi Ulnaris injury. Extensor Carpi Ulnaris starts at or finishes at the pinky finger, runs up here and into the common extensor origin. So depending on where they're getting pain, usually around the wrist, I would localize there, but I would also try to get up towards the common extensor origin as well. With the smaller needles, I would initially find which is giving them the most pain. So can you push your pinky out against me? Yep, and let's say you feel pain there. Can you push your wrist up against me? So wrist up like that. Cool. And this will kind of bulge some of those tendons. Yep, just relax here. So what I would do is I wouldn't needle on the common extensor origin. It's too painful and it's a bony prominent. I would go about a chun away, which is a thumb length away here. And then you've got the different tendons that might insert. So common extensor carpi ulnaris would be down here. Bit of a jab, not too painful. Cool. That's usually plenty for that. And then depending on where they're getting the pain in the wrist, let's say patient is getting pain up a little bit higher here, I would just jab them right there. Not painful? Yeah. Cool. That's it. Easy.